In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can notice whenever someone half swipes into your chat on Snapchat. Seeing who half swipes into your chat on Snapchat helps you know who's interested in your messages. It's like getting feedback on your conversations. In fact, you also get to know who doesn't want to reply, yet they have seen your message. This can help you focus on people who want to talk and adjust how you chat with others. But remember, respect people's privacy and boundaries while using this information. To do this, simply head into your Snapchat. On your chat page, this is how someone can half swipe your message. So to get to know when your Snapchat friend do the half swipe thing, Snapchat sends you a notification that this particular friend has half swiped into your Snapchat. Simply tap right here to head into your profile page. Click right here. You will then scroll down to the very end. Select this option of Peek a Peek. Make sure to enable this option on. Put in mind that to this feature, you have to have Snapchat Plus. Just click on Next to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. You will access this feature and many more amazing features on Snapchat Plus. That's how easy it is to see when a friend half swipes into your chat on Snapchat. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.